it's Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pair and sync your Apple AirPods on over to your iPhone 14, 15, or even the 16 in the future. And this is really easy to do. Just locate settings right here and select this. Then go to Bluetooth. And make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And you can see my AirPods are already connected on here. So I'm going to quickly just forget this device and then pair it for you guys. So now I want to go to my AirPods. I want to open up the case and I can see I have my AirPods in here, and it should just automatically connect to the phone. You just have to press connect right there. It's super simple. Now if it's not connecting, you want to put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So with the case open, press the back button and the lights on the back here should begin to blink. That's the indication it's looking for a Bluetooth device to connect to. Then just press connect on the phone. And it might have you set up something like talk to Siri or something like that. You can do that. And it'll give you the battery life and the percentage right here. I'm at 100% and then 98%. So let's go to continue. Now I can see it's connected and I can start using them on my iPhone. I actually really love these. I'm happy I got them. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.